Once a week, he get one of these babies. Oh, you trying to get out. Look at him. See how Rex try to run? See how you try to run? Go ahead, jump out. Look at Jordan. Jordan coming up out for his ass. Jordan trying to get him. Hold on, Jordan. You're trying to run. This Rex trying to run, Jordan. He trying to run, Jordan. This Rex trying to run, Jordan. Check his dumb ass up. Get him, Jordan. Get him. Get him. Get him, Jordan. There you go, like a pit bull. Get his throat. There you go. Get his throat. Get his throat. Take him out, shorty. Take him out. Take him out. Crush his windpipe. Shake him. Shake him. Shake him. That's a big one. Jordan getting big. This is his favorite day of the week. Suck this life up. Ain't about gone. Crush this windpipe. Good boy, Jordan. Go ahead. He's done. Go ahead.
Up it is, Dad. Haven't eaten it. I feel like you had two.
Yeah, that's only one.
Why is it so fat, man? I never saw this. You get to pull the skin off, I think. It looks like.
You say pull the skin off?
Yeah. It looks like it's about to pull the skin off.
I know.
It looks like they pull the skin off.
They mouth adjust to they pray.
Oh my gosh. Why do you want this to eat a rat? It looks harmless. Harmless.
They gotta eat. That's what they eat. That's what they eat in the wild.
Eat that.
You gotta eat, right?
I don't eat rats.
You don't eat rats?
No.
You eat Chinese food? Sorry.
I eat Chinese food. You know Chinese have worms in their food?